Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my math tutorial number 58, dated 25th July 2025. My name is Mr. Lovex Israel Orengo. The topic today is Commercial Arithmetic 1, Part 2. In Part 1, I talked about profit, loss, and discount. In this section, I'm going to handle commission. Commission is the sum or a percentage of the value given to an individual for offering certain services. Commission is mostly used in business transactions. For example, a salesperson can be given commission for the sales made above a given value. Also, a sales agent, such as car dealers, are given commission for enabling business to occur between the seller and the buyer. Those are some examples of where commission is paid. Example 1. A salesman is paid a salary of 10,000 per month. He is also paid a commission on sales above 100,000. In 1 month, he sold goods worth 500,000 Kenya shillings. If his total earning that month was 56,000, calculate the rate of commission. In this case, we are given the salary of this person. We are given the condition for which commission is charged, anything sales above 100,000. And we were also told that in that month, there were sales which amounted to 500,000, and the total amount that person earned was 56,000. Now, in this case, we have to get commission. Commission is total earning minus the salary that was given. That's 56,000 minus 10,000 gives us 46,000. That 46,000 is the commission earned in that month. Amount which commission is charged equals to 500,000 minus 100,000, because commission is charged for the sales above 100,000. That's 400,000. Therefore, commission was charged on 400,000 Kenya shillings. Now, the percentage of commission equals to the commission itself or over the amount from which it was charged times 100%. That gives us 11.5%. Therefore, it implies the rate of commission was 11.5% for sales above 100,000. Example 2. A saleswoman is paid a commission of 2% on goods worth over 100,000 Kenya shillings. She is also paid a monthly salary of 12,000. In a certain month, she sold 360 pairs of shoes at 500 shillings per pair. Part A. Calculate the saleswoman's earning that month. The earning equals to commission plus salary. For this case, for the commission, we get it from sales. Now, total sales were 360 pairs of shoes times 500 shillings, the price per pair. That's 180,000 Kenya shillings. The commission is charged on the sales above 100,000. Therefore, the commission is 2% of 80,000, which is 1,600. Therefore, total earning for that saleswoman on that month, in that month, would be the commission, which is 1,600, plus the salary 12,000, a total of 13,600 Kenya shillings. Part B. In the following month, her salary was increased by 10%. Her total earning that month were 17,600. Part 1. Calculate the total amount of money she received from the sales of shoes that month. In this case, we are told that the salary was increased by 10%. Therefore, the new salary will be 110% over 100 times 12,000. Therefore, the new salary was 13,200. Commission equals to the total earning minus the salary. That's 17,600 minus 13,200. Therefore, the commission in that month was 4,400. Now, this 4,400 is 2%, because we are told that the commission is 2% on goods sold. Therefore, the commission is 2%. What about 100%? Therefore, it means 100% is the amount from which commission was charged. That's 100% times 4,400 over 2%, which gives us 220%. Now, this 220% is the amount from which the commission was charged. Therefore, the total sales equals to the money that was commissioned plus 100,000, which was the limit above which commission is calculated. Therefore, the total sales in that month was 320,000 Kenya shillings. Part 2 of B, the number of pairs of shoes sold that month. Now, we are told that a pair of shoes was costing 500 shillings and total sales were 320,000 shillings. Therefore, it means the number of pairs of shoes equals to total sales all over the price per pair, that is 640 pairs of shoes. That question has been set in one of the KCSE exams, therefore it means it is from KCSE questions. Example 3. A salesman earns a base salary of 25,000 per month. In addition, he is paid commission as follows. For sales up to 50,000, 0%. For sales above 50,000, for the first 50,000, 2%. For the next 50,000, 3%. And for any other sales above 100,000, 5%. This means that for the first 50%, there is no commission. 50,000 is no commission. From 50,000 to 100,000, a commission of 2%. From 100,000 to 150,000, a commission of 3%. Then for any other sales above 150,000 is 5%. During 1 month, he sold goods worth 135,000. How much commission did he earn that month? In that case, the total sales were 135,000. Now 135,000, it means the commission will be in 2 slots. The first one for the first 50% above 50,000, and the second one there will be 3% for the next 50%. Therefore, commission will be 2 all over 100% times 50,000 plus 3 all over 100% times 35,000. I've taken that one because the total sales were 135,000, but 50,000 is not commissioned. The first 50,000 is not commissioned. Therefore, we are left with 85,000. For this 85,000, 50,000 will be commissioned at the rate of 2%. We have 35,000. Now that 35,000 will be commissioned at 3%. That's what I've done here. And I've gotten the first part is 1,000, the second part is 1,050 shillings. Total commission is 2,050 shillings. That was the first question, which you were asked if the total sales were 135,000, what was the commission that month? Now, Roman 2, calculate his total earning that month. Now, total earning will be commission plus salary. 25,000 plus 2,050. The total earning was 27,050 shillings. Then back. In question 2, question part B, in another month, he received a total pay of 40,000. Calculate the total sales for that month. Now, there is a month that total pay was 40,000. We calculate the pay that month. For this case, commission for the sales above 150,000 will be, we have 40,000. 40,000 was the total earning in that month. I have subtracted the commission that was charged for the first 50,000 and the commission that was charged for the next 50,000, which takes us to 150,000. That is 40,000 minus 1,000 plus 1,500. That gives us 12. This gives us 2% of 50,000 is 1,000, and 3% of 50,000 is 1,500. When you have the two, from 40,000, we get from 40,000, that is 2,500 from 40,000, we get 27,000. We get 27,000. We get 27,500. But here we are also having 25,000. We are having 25,000, which was we have 25,000, which was the salary. Therefore, the commission that was charged from sales above 150,000 was 12,500. That is total pay minus the commission for the 2 slabs minus the salary. That gives us 12,500. In this case, this is 5% of what was commissioned. There's 100% is 100% times 12,500 over 5. That is 250,000. That means this person sold 250. The sales above 150,000 were 250,000, which were commissioned at 5%. Therefore, in this case, total sales that month were 150,000 plus 250,000, which gives us 400,000 Kenya shillings. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Welcome in advance to my math tutorial number 59, which will handle commercial arithmetic 2 in Form 3.